Okay, so that little guy just came out of the ground.
Look at this wood. It's rotting. It's terrible.
Oh, he's eating a worm.
This thing is leaning.
Look at this, look at this. He's eating a worm.
Oh.
The chipmunk.
Oh, I didn't know they did that. Oh, yeah. Interesting.
He just came out of the ground and he was eating a worm.
Huh. Well, he's taking a long time to eat that little skinny worm. Look at that.
Oh, he's just going ham on that thing. Look at that. So tiny. I don't think he likes me watching him too much, but... Oh. And he's going into... He's hiding under the leaves right now. Where'd he go? Oh no, he's right there. Oh damn. What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh, there he is. This guy just doesn't care that I'm watching him. Saw this dude come up from a burrow underground, and then... Where'd he go? Oh, he's gone. He went back underground.